Give me 60 seconds. This little notebook can outwork your last ad. Sounds crazy, right? Think about that. People touch a notebook every day. Open, write, close. Your logo in right here, again and again. Most teams waste money on click that vanish. A good notebook saves, add small things, tabs, pockets, and elastic band. And people keep it longer, share it more, and ask it more. That's free reach. We make this easy. Pick your base, layer, add it on. We send fast samples in 5 or 7 days, then scale when you say go. We also keep trust simple. For social responsibility, we pass audit like SMATA and WCA. For mandatory roles, we follow your program. For the US, we test to CPSIA or Blue California 65. For the European, we also test to reach. If you want to choose, not swag, start with one customer notebook. Small book, big ROI.